Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss the pros and cons of taking out a personal loan. If you're considering getting a personal loan, it's essential to understand both the advantages and disadvantages to make an informed decision. So, let's dive right in. 1. Understanding personal loans. Before discussing the pros and cons, let's first understand what a personal loan is. A personal loan is an unsecured loan that you can take out for various purposes, such as debt consolidation, home renovation, or purchasing a car. 2. Pros of taking out a personal loan. 2.1 Flexibility. Personal loans offer flexibility in terms of repayment periods and monthly installments, allowing you to choose a plan that suits your budget. 2.2 Quick approval. Personal loans are easy to apply for, and you can get quick approval if you meet the lender's criteria. 2.3 Lower interest rates. Personal loans generally have lower interest rates compared to credit cards, making them a more affordable option for borrowing money. 2.4 Improving credit score. Taking out a personal loan and making timely payments can improve your credit score. 3. Cons of taking out a personal loan. 3.1 High interest rates. Although personal loans have lower interest rates than credit cards, they are still higher than secured loans like home equity loans. 3.2 Fees and charges. Some lenders may charge application fees, prepayment penalties, or other fees that can add to the cost of the loan. 3.3 Risk of default. If you fail to make timely payments, you risk defaulting on the loan, which can negatively impact your credit score and lead to legal action. 3.4 Temptation to overspend. Taking out a personal loan can give you access to a large amount of money, making it tempting to overspend and accumulate more debt. 4. When to consider taking out a personal loan. 4.1 Debt consolidation. If you have high-interest credit card debt, taking out a personal loan with a lower interest rate can help you consolidate your debt and save money on interest. 4.2 Emergency expenses. Personal loans can be a good option for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. 4.3 Home improvements. If you're planning to make home improvements that can increase your home's value, taking out a personal loan can be a good investment. So, those are the pros and cons of taking out a personal loan. Remember to consider your financial situation carefully before deciding to take out a personal loan. If you do decide to go ahead with it, make sure to choose a reputable lender and read the terms and conditions carefully. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.